Hi again, it's Sefisa from Bulembe Farm. Please remember to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel. As you can see from the video, the grass is very green, it's very lush. It's the rainy season, and with it come some serious health challenges for our goats and sheep. The rainy season creates ideal conditions for internal parasites, also known as worms, which can seriously affect the health and productivity of your goats and sheep if not managed properly. The worms thrive in warm, wet conditions as moisture allows worm eggs and larvae to survive longer on pasture, increasing the risk of infection during grazing. What happens is that the goats and sheep pass worm eggs in their droppings onto the grass, and then the animals get infected while grazing as they eat the larvae from contaminated grass or soil. And then heavy worm infestation causes anemia. It can cause weight loss, poor body condition, a ruffled coat or a dull coat, reduced growth and reproduction, and sometimes death in very severe cases, especially in kids and lambs. So the treatment for worms requires the use of appropriate dewormers. And as I always say, is that when you get a dewormer, always read the label, know what worms you're treating, and give the correct dosage. That's very, very important. You can also um, have your vet technician or agri-tex officer conduct a fecal egg count or worm load test, as this will help to identify the type of worm that is present on your farm and also recommend to you the correct dewormer and dosage. You can also use the PharmaShare score chart, which helps to assess for anemia by checking the color of the lower eyelid. And this helps to facilitate targeted treatment of worms or anemia. And also, if you want to prevent um, death or an excess of worm load within your herd, you need to avoid overstocking your grazing areas, rotate your pastures, keeping feeding areas clean and dry, providing good nutrition to boost the immunity of your animals, and also to quarantine new animals before mixing them in with your existing herd. So, if you want a guide on how to quarantine animals, please comment quarantine below and I will share our guide with you. The quarantine process not only protects animals from internal parasites, but also other diseases.